Welcome back to All Day at 11. I'm Tom Butler, and domo arigato, Mr. Roboto. Lauren Andrego, she joins us from Mall of America. I hope she got the reference. She joins us with the robotics teams from around the world, and of course the good old US of A. They are competing. Lauren, I just have to know, are they battling until like their bot destroys the other bot? Is it that kind of battle?
Yeah, there's a little bit of that. It's kind of heartbreaking, Tom, to watch someone's robot that they spent months building shatter into a million pieces. Oh, and they're competing in an hour again, so they have to quickly put everything together. We just had one round finishing up of Vex Robotics here on this course. They're kind of bopping from course to course, so I'm going to try to show you some competition. Here it is right over here. You can see these robots are not only hitting each other, but they're trying to pick up cones, stack them, and then toggle these little color bars to their team's colors. It's very big brain, as the kids like to say, and these are some really brilliant kids from 23 different states and 4 different countries. Canada, China, and Taiwan all represented here. I should mention 5 different teams from Mankato, so lots of smart people. It's the University of North Dakota's signature. The winner of this competition goes on to the World Finals, and I want to introduce you to a former champion out of Fullerton, California. This is Felix and Mason. They've won the whole thing before. They're only 16 and 14, and they're only a 2-person team. Good morning, guys. Tell me a little bit about your robot and what makes it different from the rest.
Yeah, so of course. So over here, let's start from the drive base. So over here, we have 6 motors which connect to these gears. So what these gears do, it connects these 3 wheels so that the robot can actually move. So this is the same on the other side too. So it can actually move in a symmetrical pattern.
Wow.
Yeah.
So tell me a little bit about how you guys divide your jobs, because you're holding the remote control, but you're doing a lot of strategy as well. Can you tell me about how your jobs are divided?
Yeah, absolutely. So Mason, he does a lot of the build, the design, the programming, and he obviously drives. He does a lot of practicing. I do a lot of analyzing matches. I look at how people compete, and from that we derive a lot of strategies. So we have about 60 pages of just pure strategies, and it lets us compete against other teams. If they do this, then we can do this, and it gives us a really big leg up against other teams.
There's over 100 teams here from all over the country and the world. What's the secret sauce to winning?
I guess to winning, so every year in Vex robotics competition is actually kind of like a different game. So for this year's game, it's all about as you've probably seen, stacking cups and pins. So what I've seen is flipping toggles, also keeping good defense, and scoring mechanisms too, which are really important to winning. So yeah, I guess a good robot, also good autonomous routines, and also most importantly strategy with your teammate and cooperation, I think. Yeah.
How have you guys been doing so far? I heard you haven't had to put many pieces back together.
Our bot has held together really well so far. We've gone to a couple of scrimmages around, and hopefully we don't lose any matches today.
Well, wishing you guys the best of luck. Felix and Mason, thank you so much from Fullerton, California, right near Disneyland is what I'm being told. I should also tell you guys that they are junior Navy ROTC high school students, so not only are they smart, they wear the military uniform, they do all of the things, and they're both going to be leading the world someday, along with all of these students who are competing here at MOA through tomorrow afternoon. It's completely free to watch, Tom. You just got to come to the north entrance near Anthropology in the atrium, and we have 3 levels of people watching here today.
And especially those Mankato kids, the really smart ones are there. Sounds like.
Oh yeah, you know it.
The pride of East Mankato are Lauren Andrego. Thank you, Lauren. Good stuff out there at MOA.